The late enrollment penalty for Medicare Part B adds 10% to your monthly premium for every 12 months you waited past your initial enrollment window, and it never goes away. So before anyone sells you anything, you need to know what your window actually is. But here's the thing, Medicare doesn't have to be confusing. You just need a personal game plan. So here's today's coaching point. Medicare has 4 parts. Think of it like a playbook. Part A, that's your hospital insurance. It covers inpatient stays, skilled nursing, hospice. Most people pay nothing for this because they've already paid into it through payroll taxes. Part B, that's your medical insurance, your doctor visits, outpatient care, lab work, medical equipment. This one has a monthly premium. It's $202.90 in 2026. Now, here's where people get tripped up. Part C, also called Medicare Advantage. This is an alternative to Original Medicare. It bundles Part A, B, and usually D into one plan through a private insurance company. It often comes with extras like dental, vision, and hearing. Part D is your prescription drug coverage. If you go with Original Medicare, you need a separate Part D plan. If you go with Medicare Advantage, most plans already included. So the first decision you're gonna face is this. Do I go with Original Medicare, Parts A and B with a supplement and a drug plan? Or do I go with Medicare Advantage, the all-in-one combo? That's a big decision. And we're gonna break that down in this series. But for right now, I want you to just know this. Medicare is not one thing. It's a system with parts. And once you understand the parts, the decisions get easier. I'm Coach P. I do the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Meet me right here in the next video.